Addressing modes of A086. Addressing modes are the ways in which we specify the operand in an instruction. A086 addressing modes can be categorized into two. First one, addressing modes for data. Second one, addressing modes for branching. Category 1, addressing modes for data. Immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, implied addressing mode, and memory addressing modes. There are 6 memory addressing modes. First one, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, register based addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, base indexed addressing mode, base indexed with displacement addressing mode. Category 2, addressing modes for branching. They are intra-segment direct addressing, intra-segment indirect addressing, inter-segment direct addressing, inter-segment indirect addressing. These addressing modes are related to control transfer instructions. And the addressing mode depends on whether the destination lies in a different segment or in the same segment. Discussing the category 1, that is the addressing modes for data. First one is the register addressing mode. See the instruction move AX, BX. This instruction moves the content of BX register to AX register. The data is available inside the register. Next, the immediate addressing mode. Instruction move AH, 4CH. Here 4CH is the data that will be moved to AH. The data is available with the instruction. Next, the implied addressing mode. Instruction is CLI, that is clearing interrupt flag. Here the data is predefined. No need to specify data along with this instruction. That is predefined. Memory addressing modes. See the first one, direct addressing. Here the effective address or offset of the data is specified along with the instruction. Usually it is done by using the variable name. An instruction move AL, N is the variable name. The offset or effective address of the data is specified with the instruction. The data is available in the memory location named N. Second one, the register indirect addressing. Here you are picking BX or BP from the second column, or you are picking SI or DI from the third column. An instruction can be move AL, BX or move AL, SI. Here the content of the location pointed by BX or SI will be moved to AL register. BX or SI will never carry the data. They are carrying pointers. The effective address or offset of the data is stored in BX or SI. So the third one, that is register based addressing. Here you are picking BX or BP from the second column and displacement from the first column. An instruction can be move L, BX plus 16-bit offset value. The displacement can be 8-bit or 16-bit. So we are adding a displacement to the BX content. And that particular location will be selected and the content of that location is copied to AL register. Fourth one, indexed addressing. Here you are picking SI or DI from the third column and displacement from the first column. Instruction can be move AL, SI plus displacement. Here it is a 16-bit value. See the fifth one, it is based index addressing. Here you are picking BX or BP from the second column and SI or DI from the third column. And you will be obtaining the effective address by adding BX content and SI content. Move AL comma BX plus SI. Sixth one, based index with displacement addressing. Here you are picking BX or BP from the second column and SI or DI from the third column and the displacement from the first column. Instruction can be move AL comma BX plus SI plus 16-bit or 8-bit displacement. Here we have used a 16-bit value as displacement. And effective address will be content of BX plus content of SI plus this displacement. You are able to create some 17 combinations from these 3 columns, and any combination which is not able to obtain from this table is an invalid addressing mode. Next, let us check how the physical address is calculated in each of these addressing modes. In direct addressing mode, move AL comma N. Here the effective address of the data is specified along with the instruction via a variable name. N is a variable name. Address of N is 0B082. See the data segment register, it carries 0B08. The effective address or offset is 0002. The physical address calculation is DS register content into 16 plus the offset 0002. That will give 0B082. Register indirect addressing. A sample instruction is move AL comma content of the location pointed by SI. Here SI register carries the effective address of the data. The physical address is 0B083. The DS register carries 0B08 and SI register carries 0003. The effective address or offset of the data. Then physical address calculation is DS register content into 16 plus the effective address of the data. You will be getting the physical address 0B083. This is based addressing mode. Move AL comma BX plus 02. 02 is the displacement. Here we are using the base register BX. BX carries the value 0002. See, it is the offset of the array A or displacement of the array A. Then the value 8-bit or 16-bit value of displacement is 02. It is 8-bit value. The 8-bit value for the displacement is 02, and the DS register carries 0B08. The starting address of data segment is 0B080. See the physical address calculation. Effective address is obtained by adding BX content and the displacement value. That is 0004 you are getting. Then physical address calculation, DS register content into 16 plus the effective address. It gives the physical address. It is 0B084. That is accessing content of this location. The value at that location is 03. So this instruction will move 03 to AL from 0B084. indexed addressing mode, move AL comma SI plus 02. 02 is the displacement. The 8-bit value for the displacement is 02, and SI content is offset of the array. The segment starts at 0B800. DS register will be carrying the value 0B80, and see the displacement to the array is 2. So move SI comma offset A will store the value 0002 in SI register. And the effective address calculation is, effective address or offset calculation is, offset of the data is calculated. That is S content of SI plus displacement value. That is 0004, and the physical address calculation is 0B80, the DS content into 16. You will be getting 0B800. Then effective address is added to that 0004. You are getting 0B804. So this is the location, and the content is 03. So this instruction will store 03 in AL register. This base indexed addressing, move AL comma BX plus SI. You can use BX or BP, SI or DI. Here SI carries the value 0003 and BX carries 0002. This is the offset of the variable A. There is an array, and our DS register carries 0B08. The data segment starts 0B080. Then the effective address is calculated by adding content of SI plus BX, and the physical address equal to effective address plus DS content into 16. Here you are getting the physical address 0B085, and it is accessing this location. So with move BX comma offset of A, it will store the offset of the variable A in BX register. Move SI comma 0003. This is the immediate addressing mode. Then you can move the content of the location 0B085 using the instruction move AL comma BX plus SI. Now 04 is loaded in AL register. If you increment SI, it will be carrying 0004, and this instruction will move the next data to BL register, and you can do some operation on AL and BL register. Here we are using add AL comma BL. Base indexed with displacement. Move AL comma BX plus SI plus 01. 01 is the 8-bit displacement. So the effective address is displacement plus content of SI plus content of BX, and physical address is effective address plus DS register content into 16. Here it is access 0B086, that is 08, this location. This program demonstrates a register indirect addressing mode. See the data segment. An array named A is declared. Elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then coming to the data segment, after the initialization of DS register, register BX is used to show the offset of the array. Then AL will be initialized to 0. We are trying to add the first two elements of the array, and we are using register indirect addressing mode to take the elements from the array. Here the BX register will point to the first item in the array. BX register is not carrying the data, but it points to the data. So the content of the location pointed by BX will be copied to DL register. That is, in our case, it is the first item now. After that, we will add AL and DL. Then we will increment BX. Now BX will be carrying the offset or effective address of the next data item. That is, BX is pointing to the next data item. Then we will be taking that. It will add to the AL content. So finally the AL will be carrying 1 plus 2. Then we will terminate the program. Load this program in Turbo Debugger. Let's load it. Let's do single step. BX, it is loaded with value 0 0 0 0. There is the offset of the array. Then we are using AL to show the sum. And this instruction we are moving the content of the location pointed by BX to DL register. Then add AL comma DL. Now BX carries the value 0 0 0 0. That points to the first item of the array. It is the offset or effective address of the first item of the array. Okay, C DL is 0 1 now. That is the first element of the array. We are adding it to AL. Then we will increment BX. Now BX points to the next data item. That is, BX is not carrying the data, it is carrying a pointer to the element. Okay, now DL carries the next item 0 2, and we are adding it, and we are terminating the program. This program demonstrates the use of based indexed addressing mode. See the data segment, an array is declared. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And coming to the code segment, after the initialization of data segment register, BP register is used and the offset of the array is moved to BP register, and SI register has an immediate value 0 0 0 H. Then AL is initialized with 0. We are expecting the sum of 2 or 3 elements of this array in AL. Then after that we will move the content of the array elements one by one to we will move the first element of the array to BL register using based indexed addressing mode. Then add that to AL. Then we will increment SI content and we will take the next element to BL and add it to AL. That is the program. We are loading the program. Our array elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Single step. BP register is initialized with 0, 0, 0, 0. The offset of the array. Then SI also initialized. Next we are moving the first element of the array to BL register using based index addressing mode. So after executing this instruction, BL should contain 0 1. Okay, let us check that. See, the BL register carries the value 74. So something wrong. What is the mistake? See, this BP register is used here. By default, BP register works with stack segment. Okay, with SP stack, sorry, SS register, stack segment register. We have to override that. In our case, BP register should work with our data segment. Okay, so we will include this. So override fix here also DS. Okay, let us translate it and load it again. Okay, we are loading our program again. It is loaded. We are doing single step F7. Okay, we are going to execute the instruction which uses the base index addressing mode. We are expecting BL register will carry 01 after this instruction. Okay, let's just check that. Okay, now it is working. BL register carries 01. Okay, we are adding it to AL. Then we are incrementing SI. We are expecting BL will be carrying 02 after executing this instruction. Okay, let us try that. Okay, our second data item has been taken to BL register. Okay, we are adding it to AL. Okay, now AL carries 1 plus 2. Okay, we are terminating the program.